Today, I have a 35mm rangefinder camera made by Ricoh, or Riken, in 1953, 1954. Fun little history fact, it all started with this man. This incredibly happy man, Ichimura Kiyoshi. Make fun of my pronunciation of his name, that's fine. Basically, without going into a huge deep dive of history, he formed the Riken Kankoshi Company in 1936. It wasn't until 1963 that the company actually became Ricoh, which is what we know it as today. This camera is called the Ricolet. This camera is actually one of Austin's cameras, which he's had sitting on a shelf for some time, and recently figured, well, why don't we put a roll of film through it? What could go wrong, right? In this particular case, the focusing element on the front of the lens here is actually stuck. So with a quick Google search, we found out that with a little bit of heat applied, you can actually loosen up the oils in here, and with the force of King Kong on a bender, get it to rotate again. So the hope is that we can get it working again and put a test roll through it, take it out, see what we can come up with. I think one of my favorite things on this camera, because I'm easily entertained by dumb things, is that it has a kickstand. Without this kickstand, it just falls over on the table. And with the kickstand, it sits perfectly level. And that just entertains me. It just makes me happy. Like, that's all it's for, is to stand it on the table.
It's a kickstand. Honestly, that is pretty cool.
So as long as we don't run into anything else, like the aperture sticking open or sticking closed, or shutter sticking open or closed, then I think we'll be in good shape and probably get some pretty interesting looking images. Once we do fix this, though, there could be other issues, if we can fix it. And if there are other issues, then I guess we'll see what we can do when we come to that. What if we can't get this camera to work at all? Are we gonna take it apart? What if the hairdryer doesn't work?
I'm down. I mean, I'm down if you're down. I don't care. I mean, it was sitting on a shelf a week ago, so.
It's a fancy hairdryer for fixing a camera. Oh, it's got. Oops. I don't know how long we have to do this for. If this doesn't fix it, we're gonna have to do camera surgery. That got hot. All right, let's see. Oh my God, that's hot.
I would say, do you have like gloves or something?
I have my shirt.
There you go.
That is hot though. That is really hot. It's
not doing anything. It's like holding literally a flame up to it. Do you have like outside like gardening gloves?
I do. That's a smart idea.
Yeah.
This one's inside out. I was gonna flip it back. Does it matter? I don't think it matters. Gloves, because this thing gets really hot. A t-shirt that just says, "My aperture blades are moist." All right, we're gonna grip it and rip it like John Daly. All right, I have this rug thing. I can cut a little piece off. So we can get this like right around this. Get a grip on it. God, it's still hot.
Are we actually turning?
No.
Ah.
Oh, we are turning.
The special ingredient was the cat puke carpet.
The cat puke carpet saved the day. It's a rug mat, but it's whatever. Same difference. Okay. Only thing is, so is it actually focusing? I don't know. Or did we just loosen it? The only way we're gonna know about the focus.
Take photos and develop them, right?
Yeah, take photos. So I could spin it to here, and that means that now Ryan would just about be in focus. I think it's fixed. We do a black and white roll through it, do a quick test. It can be processed nice and quick. So we gotta load the camera. I'm just gonna put HP5 in it. So open it on the bottom. Take this whole guy off. There we go. Not easy to... There we go.
There we go.
Throw the back on. Tighten it. It's advancing. We're good. Let's just keep it at f8, I feel like. Just f8 the whole way. And probably then 1/100th. I guess I could check the light meter and see how close it is to make sure, because we can't go any faster than 1/100th. So let's say we shoot the roll at 200 speed.
I love clouds.
Then we're at 1/500th. Go to f16, because then we'd be at, so a picture of Ryan, it probably right here. And we'll see if that turns out. Oh, that's my style. What's in it? HP 5. So 5 to 20 feet should be in focus. You got a picture of the building now. Hell yeah. Well, I can't go any further than that on the focus ring, so we're just gonna hope. Just gonna hope for the best on that one.
I don't know. This is like single point perspective.
Yeah, get the car right before it hits you.
They're probably like, what the
What the are they doing in the road? Are you recording me? Put that camera down. You're not allowed to do that. We have things. Corn cob pipe.
What the
Wait.
Oh, also, we got you Dr. Pibb. Is that cool?
Dude, that's better. This is a Coca-Cola. This is not Dr. Pibb. You got me excited for Dr. Pibb. I'm leaving my Coke. We're leaving all these drinks.
I hope he found my hemorrhoids, because they've been itching me all week.
It's lovely YouTube audio.
Here, I have a light meter on my phone. So if we do F11,
You want to be 16 then? Isn't this max on this 100?
well, here, let's get the shadows here. 1/60th. So yeah, you'd be good at like 100. Yeah, yeah, you'd be good at 100.
So 1100. Well, then that's exactly what I shot it at.
Yeah, so
The first one was at 5.6 though.
Okay, well, you're perfect then. Did you take 2 shots, 1 shot?
I took 2.
Okay.
The first one was the 5.6, and then
Okay, we got to pass the camera to Austin then, because he's got to.
I can't remember if I advanced it or not.
Oh, it's not even advanced. Why is it not? There we go.
Baseball photo. Oops, I went down. Dude, that's like an album cover right there. Just like, I don't know, the horizon line in the background with the tracks and the kind of stormy clouds.
That's cool. What are they?
What is it?
It's an old glass insulator.
Oh,
That baseball also forced you.
say that again?
Deleted scenes. I'm not saying that. I'm not.
No trains. Watch, this entire roll just doesn't have anything. Did you?
I think you.
When I clicked, I hope it's clear.
Oh, it's fine.
But if that turns out, that'll be cool. I hope. Probably.
I guess we should say that. Let's just hope it was a successful roll.
I think it really was. I have faith.
So unfortunately, the quick fix didn't work, and I think the problem probably sits a bit deeper, possibly with a spring or bearing needing replaced in the focus ring. But we did still have fun trying to get a 70-year-old camera working again, and I think we still got some pretty cool looking photos regardless. Maybe I'll revisit this someday soon and try digging a little bit deeper, but I'm not experienced at all in taking cameras apart and fixing them. It might be fun to learn though, so we'll see. For now, just enjoy some of these other photos from the day.